This week you're going to wrap up Chapter 3. This is the last week of new content for the Unit 1 test that will be on Friday, March 1st. This week, a couple of things for you to pay attention to. First of all, you will need to know the formula for slope on the exam. So it's in the unit. If you scroll down, you will see kind of a concept of what slope looks like. The triangle symbol means delta. It's the Greek letter delta. It means change. And so this is a definition of slope as being the change in y divided by the change in x. You will need to know that for the test, so make sure that you do know that. You'll also see how to consider writing the equation of lines either in slope-intercept form, which is the y equals mx plus b that most people associate with the equation of a line, or in point-slope form. And on the test, you'll be able to use either one, depending on what the situation is. The other thing that you want to make sure that you take a look at is the relationship between parallel and perpendicular lines. And I tried to emphasize within the content that drawing pictures is not sufficient to determine whether lines are parallel or perpendicular. Nobody is a good enough artist to be able to demonstrate that relationship with a picture. So you do need to take the time to check the slope of the two lines. And parallel lines have the same slope, which makes sense. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are both opposite and reciprocal. So you need to see both one positive and one negative, and then that reciprocal relationship. So all of that information is in there, and it is important. You will see it on the next or on the test. All right, email me if you have any questions.